How to fix Worms W.M.D crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window. And then in the general tab, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options. Now go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you will need to check for your GPU driver updates. If you're running NVIDIA, you can use the NVIDIA app. And if you're running AMD, you can use the AMD software, go to drivers and check for the latest updates and make sure to download and install them. And the last step is to open up your browser and search for Redist. Click on the first link. And from this table here, you will need to download the 86 and the 64 and install both of these. Now, once you installed the redistributables, it will ask you to restart your computer. And right after the restart, you will need to launch Steam as admin before running the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.